Hi, this is P R Sundar. On Monday, I've given a video which was a live video about a strategy on Infosys, and the strategy is known as earnings strategy. Usually, in the earnings trade, we enter the trade one day before the results, and once the results are out, and we should exit. In case you do not want to exit, if there is a sufficient profit, you can keep a stop loss and you can maintain. I will show you what strategy I did and what was the outcome. The strategy that we have done is Infosys 650 call option, sell one lot, 720 call option, buy one lot, and 750 call option, sell two lots. In the video I have shown, actually I have done 5 lots of sell 650, 5 lots of buy 720, and 10 lots of sell 750. So I have more capital, I have done it. Those who have less capital could have done one lot. Similarly, 650 put option, sell one lot, 580 put option, buy one lot, 550 put option, sell two lots. Now, what has happened to this trade on Tuesday? Monday evening, the result was supposed to come. So we did this strategy on Monday. I have done it. I have shown at what prices I have done. But for the sake of simplicity, we assume that you have done it on the closing time on Monday. Now, if you look at nsindia.com and Infosys, after the results, the Infosys has actually fallen 20 rupees, about 3% plus it has fallen. And look at the option chain. We will enter one by one. First, we will look at the call option. 650 call option, there was a profit of 14 rupees 15 pice. 650 call option, there is a profit of 14 rupees 15 pice. 720 call option. Remember, the 720 call option, we have bought it. So when you have bought it, it has come down by 3 rupee 95 pice, which means that there's a loss of 3 rupee 95 pice. So loss of 3 rupee 95 pice. And how about 750 call option? 750 call option, we sold it. So therefore, it has come down. So it's a profit, 1 rupee 90 pice. But we have done 2 lots. So therefore, 1 rupee 90 pice into 2. That means there's a profit of 3 rupees 80 pice. So this is about the call option. Let us look at the put option. 650 put option, we sold it, the price has gone up. So 5 rupee 95 pice. So there is a loss of 5 rupee 95 pice. So there is a loss of 5 rupee 95 pice. And then 580 put option, we bought it. So still that is also in a loss only, 10 paisa loss. And 550 put option, we sold it, there's a profit of 50 paisa. Since we have sold double the quantity, the profit is 1 rupee. So now what is the total profit? Total profit will be, we have to add all these. So 8 rupee 95 pice is the total profit. And since the lot size is 1200, So the total profit works out to be 10,740 rupees per lot. Okay, we shall look at the margin, how much margin we have paid. And many people do not know exactly how much margin is being paid. They always get confused with the futures margin. Remember, futures margin are higher, whereas the option margins are lower. And in this kind of strategies, where there are hedged positions, so there are certain margin benefit also. So if you want to know exactly how much margin we have paid, what you do, go to Google, type Zerodha margin calculator. So you can get this my F&O margin calculator, Zerodha margin calculator. And here you go and enter all the data, you will get how much margin you are paying. Here we are looking at options. Which option? Infosys. Call option 650 call option. We are selling one lot. You click add. So for selling one lot of 650 call option, the total margin money is 1,97,421. I will tell you one more interesting thing. Though you are paying 1,97,000 rupees as the margin money while placing the order, the next day the premium receivable will be credited to your ledger. So therefore your actual margin is only 1,97,000 minus 23. So that is approximately 1,75,000. But the problem is that if you have 1,75,000, the order will not go. You must have 1,97,000, then only the order will go. The next day, the 23,000 will be given to you. Okay, 650 call option is 1,97,000. If you do 650 put option, 650 call option is approximately 2 lakh. 650 put option will also be approximately 2 lakh. But when you do both together, the margin is actually not 4 lakh, it's only 2,80,000. So this is called margin benefit. You can see that margin benefit is reflected here. Then we have done 750 call option. We have done 2 lots. And then we have done 550 put option. Also we have done 2 lots. So the total margin is 7,35,000. Plus we have done 720 call option. We bought. And you can see that change 7,35,000. When you buy, it's becoming 7,32,000. And again another put option, 580 put option. We bought it. Okay, so your actual margin is 7,24,000. You have to pay this today and you will get back this tomorrow, which means you can assume that approximately you have made 7 lakh rupees as the margin money. If you have made 7 lakh rupees as the margin money, just in one day, your profit is about 10,740. And that works out to be approximately 1.5% for the margin deployed. Many people ask, sir, 1.5% is not a big deal. But in this kind of strategies, you can confidently invest any amount of money. Even you have got 100 crore, you can deploy the 100 crore in this kind of strategies. So option selling is not about making huge profit. The option selling is all about handling the huge sum of money. An option buyer buy an option for 10 rupees, he sell for 20 rupees. He claimed that he made 100% profit. But if you give him 100 crore, can he buy the options? Surely not. So these are the hedged positions. And yesterday I have shown you I have done 5 lots. That means I deployed 35 lakh rupees. And in one trading session I've got 1.5%, which is about 50,000. So this is how Chennai clients with large capital work. And hope this video is very much useful for you for the purpose of education. And people who have got less money, you can do in smaller lots. And finally, you wanted to know what I have done with these strategies. What I did, the 650 call option and 720 call option, I closed it. And 650 put option, 580 put option also, I closed it. And then 750 call and 550 put, since they both are very far away and there is already a good profit, I'm just maintaining that, and I will be keeping a stop loss. So there I'm expected to make additional 1 lakh rupees in addition to the 50,000 profit which I have made already. So the total profit will work out to be around 1.5 lakh for deployment of 35 lakh rupees. So which works out to be around 4% plus return in a matter of 2 weeks. So 4% for 2 weeks is a fantastic return. But again, here I am assuming that Infosys will not fall below 550 and will not rise above 750 in the next 2 weeks. Thank you.